I recently purchased Yeti 3000X due to its performance as described in the manual. I am using this power station for my converted van, and it gave me some freedom of not wiring all these electric wires all over the van. All of the necessary outlets you need are right on the power station. I do have solar panels, and it charges my power station in a day without turning the engine on and has plenty of power to do just about anything you want to do in a van like you are at home. I can also keep it at home for emergency power in case of a blackout, and that gives me lots of confidence and relief. Yeti did what it promised to do so far, and I am happy with it. I strongly recommend getting any Yeti power station, and you will be a satisfied traveler. Your browser does not support HTML5 video. The Yeti 3000X powers my Invacare Platinum 10 oxygen concentrator for about 5 hours. That gets me through most rolling power shutoffs and unexpected outages. At minimum, it gives me time to make arrangements and some flexibility around getting out of the house. It works as advertised and is very convenient, especially the mobile app. Well, it's heavy, 60 plus pounds. The bulk of that has to be the battery itself, and so the weight is unavoidable. A nice feature is that the 3000X comes with a cart, so actually moving it around isn't too bad, just don't run the wheels over your toes like I did once. It also has 2 handles, making it practical for 2 people to lift, splitting the load. I haven't had it for long, but in my trials it works well, running an induction cooktop and a hot water kettle. It has wireless connectivity, so you can control/monitor it remotely, if there is Wi-Fi. To set up some features, such as battery saver mode of charging, you need to do that remotely. Sometimes in the near future, Goal Zero is promising the ability to expand, if you need more battery capacity. That could be a useful option, depending on your situation. In my case, you'll see how it goes for a while when I use it in my camper van, and then decide. Overall, I like it so far. But the real test will take a few months of experience. Incredible. So thrilled with my experience so far. This was my first generator from Goal Zero. I've been a fan from a distance because of everything they stand for and their incredible quality. Click link in description for more reviews.